Continuing our north to south travels in Vietnam, we left Tam Coc for an all-day train ride. Waiting for us in the lush green hills, a national park where we could experience the grandeur of a true cave of wonders in Phong Nha. But little did we know that the river leading to the cave would become our favorite companion during our stay. We are the learners and makers.
We made it onto our train!
And really, kids were really helpful finishing up this morning. Everybody was up with good time. We got here decently early. We're now in our little cabin where we'll be for about the next 8 hours as we head south from Ninh Binh to Doong Cave.
Yep, and it is really nice being a family of 4 who takes up a whole cabin. So our kids are old enough that they count as their own bed now, and we have our own little space, which we felt like for this longer train trip would be kind of nice.
Exactly. So we get to hole up in here for the day. The train car has an attendant, and we've got a big bag of snacks. We're ready for a really lovely ride.
After a long day of train travel, we had one more journey. To get to Phong Nha, it was another hour by car. Here, we got the first peek of the national park's lush beauty. What did you get for breakfast, babe?
Got a veggie omelet with a lovely looking baguette bun. Nice cup of black coffee.
Yeah. What you got, Aster?
Say pancake with chocolate on it.
Chocolate on it. Yeah. Connor got the same. You want to give us a first bite, Connor?
I got no chocolate right there. To do that.
Okay, let's get a first bite from Daddy, too.
First
He's
we have a
gonna
little assembly to do. I like
That's right, you've already got chocolate on them.
kind of an egg sandwich.
I get chocolate right there.
With the omelet.
There.
Oh, yeah. What's the sauce?
This is the chin su.
It shows up on almost every table.
Yeah,
we go to.
not too hot. A nice little bite
Nice
to
little
it.
kick.
Sweet. It's a really nice little condiment.
I would mistook it for ketchup.
And you're still here.
No, I'm not. I'm a ghost.
We got here last night, and this area is crazy beautiful. I could just feel my whole soul just sigh this, oh my gosh, beautiful sigh of, I am so glad we're here. And this is where we're staying, right here next to the river with these gorgeous mountains across from our room up here. Show me your technique. Almost.
Well, the tree got in the way.
Did the tree, do you hit the tree?
That was a dud.
Try again.
The inside life of a slingshotter.
Yeah, it's
Inside the life of a slingshotter.
Yes,
Yes.
it's a very.
Whoa. I heard that one.
Yeah, that was the noise of it hitting the slingshot.
It still made it to the water.
Yep.
Oh, did it hit the kayak?
Yes, that's the second time.
Take the blue.
So today seems like it's going to be our best day to go out and see one of the caves. That we get to take one of these boats and go through this whole cave system. And because tomorrow it's probably going to be a little too cold and maybe a little bit too rainy.
quiet boat made its way through the dark waters. But then the boat pulled toward a small boardwalk. With a clunk, the boat docked. It turns out this wasn't just a boat tour. We'd get to walk through a long stretch of the cave, too. We are very fortunate that we get to do some pretty cool stuff and show our children some amazing places. We are in Phong Nha Cave in Vietnam. I've seen some cool caves in my day. I've never seen anything like this. This is one of the most amazing places I have ever gotten to experience. I feel so grateful to be here. Okay, one of the things that gets me about this cave is any other cave I've been in before has been more like subterranean. So you get down a bit, it gets to about like 54 degrees Fahrenheit, just kind of stays
You
there.
have to go down all the stairs.
Yeah. But this, you're actually inside this hill. You're at ground level or a little above. So it's actually all balmy in here. We're in our shirt sleeves. It's really comfy.
Yeah, I would say it's not cool. It's not hot. I mean, you make it sound like it's hot.
No.
It's cool still, but it's
warm.
It's not cold. Yeah,
Yeah.
like a cave usually is. I kind of expected us to be cold today, but we're fine.
Yeah. We finished our boat tour, found a little cafe nearby that we could walk to. It's the Bella Cafe, the Funny Monkeys homestay. And a few minutes after we got here, it started to rain.
Just in time.
Talk about lucking out. Good thing we finished, but we did.
Oh, there's nothing like soup on a cold day. It tastes really good. The main thing that we were doing while we were here was going to explore and do the tour of the Phong Nha Cave, which was spectacular. We're on our way out, but we're going to do one last thing. We're heading to a place called the Duck Stop. And being from Eugene, Oregon, it felt like that was something we couldn't miss. We said goodbye to our river homestay, and the first thing to greet us at the Duck Stop was lunch. Ban Jiao. You want to show us how to build it, Aster?
Take a half, a quarter,
Yeah.
salt that there, take this.
Get some good veggies on there.
Then we'll take this part,
Roll it up.
fold it up,
Roll
and
it
look
up.
at this.
Good. Good crunch. Good? These ones are really nice and crispy. Aster
And the
says,
fresh peppercorns add so much character.
thumbs up. Cutter says, thumbs up. Anthony's adding.
All about the green fresh peppercorns. I mean, these are right off the plant.
So good. Then it was time to meet the ducks.
It's a quack quack. Okay.
Oh my gosh, they're so bad.
Yeah, throw it down. Okay, thank you so much. If I remember correctly, there's a travel book called Pecked to Death by Ducks. Not pecked to death, but boy am I pecked to laughter.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, throw up!
Thanks for joining us on our journey to Phong Nha. Join us next time as we continue south in Vietnam. You can find our everyday adventures on Instagram and TikTok. Find in-depth blog articles on learnersandmakers.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and ding the bell so you get notified for our next video. See you next time. Bye.